Hey YouTube, Harley Benton time. Yeah, so the Harley Benton Brian May Red Special. These come as standard with a five-way Strat type switch here, and then three Brian May style phase switches, which doesn't do. It's not wired the way Brian May's guitar is, so you can wire them as three on-off switches. All the pickups are in series, so you end up with Brian May sounds. So I was just messing about with it. That was really it. I will not be using clean very often. Actually, I've now got my pedal board down in the corner. If that's annoying, I'll remove it. So what we've got here is these switches are the opposite way than I would have done them, but the guy whose guitar this is has a washburn, and the switches go down the way, so to turn them on. So I did it that way. The phase switches, it doesn't matter which. If they're all up, then they're all in phase, and if they're all down, they're all in phase, so it doesn't matter which way around. So, neck pickup on its own, it already did this sound. It's a Strat neck pickup, quite powerful. Single coil. Yeah, so you can all the pickups on their own, but if you put them in, that's so this is these two in series. Which the rat pedal I've not specifically adjusted. This is just the way I had it set up. A bit more Brian May-ish. I don't know actually. I don't know. All of them on. Used to have had a shot of a Brian May BM1 amp. It was a really cool looking wee Vox 10 watt practice combo, but it was white, and it had a, was it the decay circuit, which basically sounded a bit like, it's kind of like sounded very similar to, if you ever had a BB Blaster amp, you know, the wee, there's hundreds of different versions of exactly the same amp. It's got like a wee push in distortion switch, and it's, you'll have seen the same amp 1,000 times with different, you know, slightly different shape and all that. It basically, that's what the decay sounded like. So that kind of sound you're going for, just pure saturation, and then what that rat pedal's doing. It's got a certain. Obviously, I'm not playing it right, but I'm not even attempted to play Queen stuff. It's just too hard. those ones that I can never learn it, obviously. Bits of it sound like it, though. Oh, I'm just in a wee world of my own there. Bow raps in some sort of Egyptian scale, maybe. Got the loop pedal set up, but there's no point in trying to do a Brian May harmony thing. And if there was a simple one, I don't know. Yeah, see, Brian May's really good, and I'm pretty good at using the loop pedal. Normally, the first time you get a loop pedal, you go, I'm going to be Brian May, and it just turns into utter chaos, although that is... a wee bit there. Actually worked better than I thought. Worked better than it did, but it sounded when I was playing it. Basically, at the end of your solo, you just have 6 guitars overdubbed, all playing different notes in the chord. Yeah. Tremtit's a nice place as well. Psychedelic. Still in tune.